Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Sun City Origins Powai by GHP and Skyline Group located in Powai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 8 acres in which 6.5 acres is already delivered with 5 towers, remaining 1.5 acre will have 1 tower with 3 wings of ground plus 4 level of podium plus 2 level of amenities plus 22 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on JVLR near Shell Petrol Pump Powai, from where Gandhinagar Junction is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Upcoming metro is only at a distance of 5 minutes walk. Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 25 minutes drive. And you have International Airport at a distance of 30 minutes drive from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities. It will have a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, mini theatre, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and the carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 442 to 460 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 637 to 664 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Sun City with the code name Origins Powai by GHP and Skyline Group located in Powai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.